Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. My name is Massiel, just in case it's your first time on my channel, and I'm so excited to bring you guys my Beetlejuice Halloween tutorial. If you know me, you know Beetlejuice is my favorite movie of all time, so I'm so excited to bring this to you guys. And the good thing about this tutorial is it's super easy, like you could get this done really quick. I used a couple of different palettes, but I would suggest just buying the Take Me to Brazil palette, or I think they changed it to Take Me Back to Brazil. It's like less than $10 and it has all the colors that you need to create this look. But yeah, if you're interested in becoming Beetlejuice for this Halloween, then please keep watching. My mom was super nice to let me borrow her striped shirt so that I could do this look, and so I really didn't want to ruin her shirt, so I decided to do my hair before anything else to prevent that, and so I had Tay spray some white and green all over my hair. Alright guys, so for my eyebrows, I actually went in with this dark purple shade from the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I kind of felt like it was too purple, so I ended up mixing it with the regular brown that I use on an everyday basis, and I just did my eyebrows like I typically would, but instead with that purple and brown mix. Once my eyebrows were done, I primed my lids and went back into that dark purple shade with a blending brush and put that into my crease and blended that out. So I continued to blend that in and build up that color. I honestly underestimated this palette. Like, the colors in here don't swatch really nice on your hand, but on the lids and on your eyes they come out so beautiful. So once that purple is blended out, I went into my Masquerade palette and got the shimmery purple shade. Super pigmented. I highly suggest JUVIAS Place palettes. But yeah, I just went and put that right over my lid and blended it in with the purple that I originally had in my crease. So you can use the black that's in the Take Me to Brazil palette, but I wanted to try this one out from the Saharan palette, and it was alright. I put that over that shimmery purple and just blended it all together. Beetlejuice has very dark eyes, dead looking eyes, so that's what I was going for. Alright, so once that's all blended out, I mixed my foundation with white cream makeup to give my face a dead pale look. However, I highly suggest just buying a lighter foundation, like 2 shades lighter than what you have, because mixing these two products definitely gave my skin a weird texture, really drying, so just get a lighter foundation shade. And once that was applied, I went back to my eyes and put the purple, blended it out under my bottom lash line. Like I said, Beetlejuice has dead eyes, so you're going to want to blend it out and make yourself look tired and dead, like you need sleep, you feel me? And then I just applied my lashes from SHOPMISSA in the style Alexis. So I think what really made this look super cool was the contour. I actually used this lime green shade from the Take Me to Brazil palette. Again, I really suggest investing in this palette for Halloween looks. You can do so many creative things with it. But yeah, I'm just contouring my face like I regularly would, just using that lime green shade. And as far as the lips go, I would suggest just putting that lighter foundation, leaving that over your lips and letting it dry and get cracked, because we're going for a dead look here, so nothing special for the lips. So I continued to blend that out, and then I also grabbed a little blending brush and put that on my, like, the corner of my mouth. He has a lot of like decaying moss looking texture on his skin, so that's what we were going for here. So for the grassy, mossy texture that we're going for, I used liquid latex. You can get this at any Halloween store. Anyways, I just stippled that on over the green that I applied and did a couple of layers of that. And then I used cotton ball. You don't want to put the entire cotton ball on liquid latex, but just little tiny pieces of it. and rip it apart and create the texture that you like. This is where you get to be creative and make it what you want it to be. So yeah, I played around with it, peeled at it until it looked the way that I wanted it to. And then to add some dimension to it, I went back with that neon green eyeshadow and mixed it with some black eyeshadow just to give it some texture. Once that was done, I just did some final touches, you know, peeled at the spots that I felt needed a little rearranging, and then I added some more black to my eye. Felt like I wanted to look a little more dead, a little more like Beetlejuice. And yeah, and then I felt like my hair was too green. I kind of looked like the Joker, so I had Tay put some more of that white into my hair. If you can invest in a gray wig and just put green in the front, then, you know, do that. But these hairsprays were like $1, so that's what we were working with. And you definitely want to make your hair as messy as possible. And this is it. We are Beetlejuice. It's showtime. So that is it for this Halloween tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you did. As always, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have a bunch more Halloween tutorials in store for you guys. And I'm vlogging all of October, so you guys might want to stay tuned for that. If you end up recreating this look, as always, make sure to send it to me. You can email it to me or DM it to me on Instagram. And with that said, make sure to follow me on my Instagram account as well to stay tuned with what I post. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great Halloween and a spooky October. Catch you guys next time.